Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you the best entry and exit tools in Tradingview, helping us make smarter trading decisions without relying on moving averages. These tools focus on momentum, volatility, volume, and patterns, giving us clear signals for when to enter or exit a trade. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. RSI shows whether an asset is overbought or oversold. For entry, if RSI drops below 30, the market may be oversold or ready to bounce. This can be a potential buy signal. For exit, if RSI rises above 70, the market may be overbought and ready to reverse. This can be a potential sell or profit-taking signal. Next, let's talk about MACD, which measures momentum and trend strength. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it often signals bullish momentum. For exit, when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it signals bearish momentum and a possible exit point. For volatility-based entries, Tradingview offers Bollinger Bands. When the price bounces off the lower band, it can indicate a potential entry. When the price hits the upper band, it can suggest an exit or profit-taking zone. Bollinger Bands also help us see if the market is consolidating or trending. Volume is another key factor. We can use the volume profile or horizontal volume to see where the most trading activity happens. For entry, price breaking through high volume nodes often shows strong momentum. For exit, price stalling at high volume zones can be a sign to take profits or tighten stops. Finally, let's not forget candlestick patterns. Reversal patterns like hammers, shooting stars, engulfing candles, or doji candles are excellent signals when combined with the tools we just discussed. For example, a hammer at a high volume support zone can signal a strong entry opportunity. Here are a few tips to use these tools well. Combine indicators. Using RSI and MACD with volume often gives us stronger signals than using any single tool. Confirm breakouts. Avoid entering trades on a single signal without confirmation from volume or candlestick pattern. Adjust your time frame. Intraday traders may want faster signals, while swing traders can use standard settings. Common mistakes to avoid include loading the chart with too many tools. Simplicity often works best. Ignoring market context like support and resistance levels, or chasing signals without proper confirmation, can also lead to mistakes. To recap, use RSI for overbought and oversold entries and exits. Use MACD for momentum confirmation. Use Bollinger Bands to spot volatility-based moves. Use a volume profile to identify key zones. Watch candlestick patterns for reversal signals. By combining these tools, we can make smarter entry and exit decisions without relying on moving averages. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe for more Tradingview tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.